Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, JahangirsScienceSchool. Today I am going to discuss about IGCSE O-level physics, Unit-2, Chapter 9, Electric Charge. This chapter is very important for paper 2. পেপার 2 তে এই চ্যাপ্টার থেকে একটা কোশ্চেন আসবে সো এই চ্যাপ্টারটা খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট মনে রাখবে দ্য ডায়াগ্রাম শোজ আ সিম্পলিফাইড ভিউ অফ পার্ট অফ অ্যান ইনজেট প্রিন্টার negative charge in drop and negative charge plate and positive charge plate. It is called a deflecting plate and there is a paper. A negative charge in drop falls vertically between pair of charge plates. The in drop experiences a horizontal electrostatic force as it falls. Explain the direction of the electrostatic force exerted on the in drop by the charge plate. So we know negative, say like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. So in droplet moves right direction or towards the positive charge plate because we know like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. So correct answer is so force to the right. So in droplet experiences force to the right direction because opposite charges attract and like charges repel. So these 2 points must be written, should be written. Force to the right because opposite charges attract or like charges repel. Now on the diagram, draw the path of the in drop as it falls between the charge plate. So charge plate falls this direction because negative charge in drop attracted by the positively charged plate. Now question number C. The in drop experiences a horizontal force. This one is a force, horizontal force F. When it is between the charge plate. The mass of the in drop is 1.1 10 to the power minus 10 kg. Calculate the horizontal acceleration. We know resultant force F equal to ma. M is the mass, A is the acceleration. We have to find out the acceleration. So force divided by mass. So force here 8.5 10 to the power minus 7 divided by mass 1.1 10 to the power minus 10. So after calculation we get acceleration. Acceleration will be 7,700 meter per second square. 7,700 meter per second square. The in drop has no initial horizontal velocity before it passes between the charge plate. After passing between the charge plate, the horizontal velocity of the in. So initial velocity is 0 meter per second and final velocity v 3.9 meter per second. And acceleration we get 7,700 meter per second squared. So we have to find out the distance. So v square equal to u square plus 2as. So we have to find out. So 2as equal to v square because initial velocity is 0. So s equal to v square divided by twice a. What is the value of v square? V 3.9 square divided by 2 into a. A is 7,700 meter per second square. So distance will be, after calculation we get 0.99 millimeter. So 0.99 millimeter. So direct value 9.9 10 to the power minus 4. So this is the distance. Now explain how another in drop could be deflected in the opposite direction by greater distance using the charge plate in the inlet. Deflected in the opposite direction, we can deflect this charge in droplet in the opposite direction by changing the polarity of the deflecting plate. That means we can change, so swapping the polarities of the plate. So we can swapping the polarities of the plates, and by increasing the amount of charge on plate, or by increasing the amount of charge in drop, or by decreasing the mass or volume of the in drop,